Welcome back to POW-Mr. channel. In this video, we will walk you through the data browsing functions of the POW-SunSmart LVM12K hybrid solar inverter's touch screen display. The settings menu will be explained in a later video. When you powering on the inverter, the main screen will display the basic operating data of the PV input, battery, grid, and load. With the help of directional arrows, you can quickly understand the current power flow. For example, you can now see the battery is discharging to the load. Tapping on the inverter icon will display the inverter's operating status, firmware version, and the serial number. These details are useful for maintenance, such as checking if the firmware upgrade is needed, or for provided SN when requesting after-sales support. By tapping the PV icon, you can view the voltage, current, and power data of the two PV arrays. By tapping the battery icon, you can view the battery's health, state of charge, voltage, charging current, power, discharging current, BMS protocol, battery type, and charging status. By tapping the load icon, you can view output voltage, output current, UPS load active power, UPS load apparent power, frequency, load rate, and home load power. Here's a quick explanation of UPS load and home load. Loads connected to the inverter's AC output are referenced to as UPS load. Loads connected to the inverter's AC input line are referenced to as home load. Please note, using home load requires meeting both hardware and software conditions. A setting must be installed and system settings must be configured accordingly. We'll cover these settings in a later video. Now let's move on. We've just gone through all the data in the Home section. Next, tap on the second main section at the bottom of the screen, History. In the History section, you can view daily statistics, including battery charge and discharge, PV generation, load consumption, grid charge, grid load consumption, and on-grid energy. You can also view the past 7 days of generation and consumption data. Under Energy Statistic, you will find total charge, total discharge, total PV generation, total consumption, total mains charge energy, total grid load consumption, and total on-grid energy. Under History field, we can view field records, including field codes, descriptions, and the exact time of occurrence. That's all for the data browsing functions of the POW-SunSmart LVM12K hybrid solar inverter's touch screen display. For details on the settings menu, please check out our upcoming videos. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.